Hello and welcome. Today, webinar.net is going to teach you how to create a webinar in just 5 minutes. First step, enter your webinar.net account. Now that you're inside, click on Create Webinar and title your presentation. Now you have 3 options. Presentation from media file, where you can upload a webinar from a pre-recorded video in MP4 format. Presentation from RTMP stream allows your participants to receive a streaming signal instead of a normal camera signal. And network can be used when you're sharing a presentation with a large number of people who are on the same network. Now, you'll schedule your webinar and decide on the format. If you select live, your presentation will be completely live, as if you had the audience right there in front of you. If you select pre-recorded live, you will have the option to record the presentation on the platform anytime before the day of the presentation and transmit it at the time and date of your choosing. If you select the on-demand option, the presentation will be available at any time through the audience link. On-demand can be used in concert with either live or pre-recorded, or simply on its own. For a live session, select the day and time of the presentation and the time zone. You can now also select the option to add on-demand schedule. Enable that, and your presentation will be available on demand for anyone who could not attend the live session. On the registration page, you can configure the registration that the audience will see when they enter the platform. You can add fields if you'd like more information from the participants. Or, if you don't need all this information, you can remove fields by clicking on the trash can. Some fields can't be removed, but they can be disabled or made optional. On the Layout tab, you have a series of options for how you'd like your registration page and thank you note to look. On the Elements tab, you have more options to customize the look and feel of your webinar. Splash images are a great way to add your company's flair. To add them, go to the Edit button next to Splash Images, choose Add Image, and Upload. Make sure to click Save when you're done. On the Brand tab, there are even more options for customization, as you can see here. And if you click the Preview button in the top right, you can get a look at what you've done so far. Now let's go to email notifications. Here, you can configure registration confirmation emails, reminder emails, thank you emails, and even notifications when an invitee did not attend the webinar. Next, we come to the content option. This is where you upload the presentation or videos that you are going to use. Not all formats are compatible, so make sure to check the file extension before uploading. Make sure also not to leave the page while it's uploading. Next comes the Interface Builder. This is the screen where you design the look of your webinar and where the audience can interact with it. When entering, make sure to select webcam and audio so your presenters can share their cameras. The presenter component on the left side of your screen allows you to place the information of the presenter, such as their title, the name of their organization, biography, even a photo. Again, don't forget to save when you're done. You can also move the components around as per your own specifications, and you can even change the colors of the interface, like so. Additionally, we have backgrounds that you can choose. Our library has some great ones, but if you prefer, you can choose your own and upload it for your device. I'll leave the headers in black for now. Now that you've set up your presentation exactly as you like, you can get the links for the presenters and audience members. These links are how they'll access the webinar. If you have any other questions or need help, remember the question mark icon will take you to assistance. Thank you for attending this video tutorial, and we'll see you in the webinar.net virtual studio.